Any controller can look good in an ad. The great ones are the ones that stay responsive and reliable when the game gets messy. The Machenike G5 Pro Max SE is one of those controllers that promises a lot. Drift-free sticks, fast response, and support for almost every device you own. It looks the part, no doubt, but looking good isn't everything. Today, let's see if this thing plays as well as it talks. Now, the moment you pick up the box, it feels like someone actually cared about what went inside. With the G5 Pro Max SE, you get the controller itself, a charging dock, a USB-C cable, a couple of stickers if you are feeling creative, and the tiny 2.4G dongle that's almost too easy to lose. The first thing we notice, the weight. The G5 Pro Max SE has this sturdy, balanced feel, not heavy but definitely not hollow. The G5 Pro Max SE has a shape that's easy to hold. There's a bit of texture on the back that helps during longer sessions, and the layout feels familiar if you used any modern controller. The pedals on the back are a nice bonus, and the feedback button feels pretty satisfying. Not too clicky, not too soft, just right.
ASMR test of this gamepad. And buttons, vibration, amazing.
One of the best things about this controller is how easy it is to use across all kinds of devices: PC, Switch, Android, iPhone, or even a Mac. You can plug it in with a USB-C, go wireless with included 2.4G dongle, or simply connect over Bluetooth. The switch on the back lets you change modes in seconds, so there's no need to dig through menus or settings. Just flip, pair, and play. The sticks and triggers on this controller use Hall effect sensors, which means they rely on magnets instead of physical parts that wear out over time. The big benefit is that there's no stick drift, even after months of use. The sticks feel stable and accurate, and the triggers respond smoothly from start to finish. You can also adjust how far you need to press before they kick in, which comes in handy once you start playing around with it. Once everything's set up, the controller works in 3 modes: wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4G wireless. Wired mode is the fastest, followed by the 2.4G and Bluetooth being the slowest. In regular use, they are all responsive enough that it doesn't get in the way. The 6-axis gyro does a great job for motion-based aiming, especially on the Switch. Button presses feel quick and clicky, and the rumble gives just the right amount of feedback without being too much. Overall, everything feels tight and responsive. And when your game is over and you're ready to recharge, the dock makes that part feel extremely smooth. Your controller in, and it connects instantly without needing any fiddling with the wires. The dock has a clean design, a stable anti-slip base, and a bit of RGB lighting that adds to the setup without overdoing it. Battery life sits around 8 hours depending on how much you use the lighting and rumble. There's also USB-C pass-through if you want to top up another device. If you want to take things a step further, there's plenty of room to customize. The Key Linker app lets you remap buttons, adjust trigger response, and set dead zones exactly how you like them. The lighting's customizable too: 5 modes, brightness control, even the speed. You can also swap out the thumbsticks if you are feeling picky. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind before you buy this controller. The button layout changes when you switch between PC and Switch, so it might take a little getting used to. Small things, but they're worth noting. It's not perfect, but it might just be perfect for you. If you're ready to get it for yourself, just check out the link in the description. And if you already have this gamepad, share with us your own review in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next gamepad episode. مع السلامة from Muhammad from Tech Utopia. Peace out.